Hey you guys, I am super excited to hop on and highlight this Playland land roller. This thing is awesome and this is seriously such a fun toy to get for your house. First of all, this can support up to 300 pounds or a couple kiddos at once, which is awesome. And it has got this really nice heavy duty inflatable outside, which makes it super functional and really easy to use. Now, if you stick with me, I'm going to show you a video of me inflating it as well as a video of my kiddos using it so you guys can see how awesome this is. On the inside, it's a layer of mesh. So your kids can actually put the support on it, and it is a thick mesh, so it's going to support their weight as they run and play. It's honestly kind of like a giant hamster ball, and my kids are obsessed with it. So it's so fun. I'm going to flip it on its side so you guys can see it, but this is what the side looks like. So these are like the support posts, and this is the part that's going to be on the ground going in circles. You guys, this thing is 10 out of 10. Now stick with me to see it in use. Grab this one for your house to help your kiddos have an amazing summer. All right, you guys, so I just wanted to show you how easy this setup was. I just have a little hand pump, and it honestly was set up within a couple of minutes. Was not a difficult process at all. You inflate one side, and then you're going to inflate the other side, and it really is not hard. It just inflates up, and then once you get both sides up, this is what it looks like. So like I said, there's just the two areas to inflate. Super simple, which I love an easy setup. I am all about that. So absolutely love that. 10 out of 10. Now here's my kiddos using it. You guys, this thing is so fun. Like I said, it is like a giant hamster wheel, and they can go as fast or as slow as they want, but it just rolls with them, and my kids are obsessed with this. This is seriously so fun. So this is my 8-year-old in it, and then I have a combo video of my other two in it. You can see they're trying to figure out how to do it together at the same time. But if you guys want to make your house the party house, get yourself one of these. This is awesome. Like I said, it holds up to 300 pounds, so you could get some bigger kiddos in it, and it would also be a blast. You guys hop on, check this one out. I highly recommend.